Hi there, it's Mitch with another pro tip from your friends at Chemcraft. Callbacks are the bane of any good cabinet shop. We need to figure out a way to stop that water damage around the dishwasher and the sinks. So, we've heard you. We've come up with a VARICURE Select line of products, a pre-cat product that's been independently tested to be within 1 point of a conversion varnish. And you don't have to add anything to this product. Just spray it right out of the can, and you are going to have water and chemical resistance second to none. This is one you need to get with your Chemcraft rep. Get a sample, set up a demo. You will not be upset that you did it. Trust me on this one. This is an amazing system. Anyway, get it done, and you'll be happy. That's it for today. Thanks again for watching. Keep in mind, we have a lot of pro tips coming your way.